Hello, beautiful souls. Reverend Mother Mary Catherine here. And today we have something truly special. I'm about to unbox the very first proof of the Sen-Taur Legacy Wheel of Time Oracle cards right here, right now. So you're all in for a real treat. So let's dive into this magical moment together. Here it is. As I open this box, let's set our intentions. May these cards not only reveal their beauty and wisdom, but also resonate deeply with all who use them. Embark on a mystical journey with this beautifully crafted oracle deck. Rich symbolism and vibrant imagery guide you to unlock the secrets of your spiritual path and illuminate your destiny. The Wizard. It includes 42 cards and an instruction booklet. So let's see what we've got. See if we can do this without damaging the box itself. I'm not very good at unboxing things. Let's see. Get the plastic off of it. Beautiful. Here we go. The first glimpse of magic. Let's see. And get the box open. Maybe. Maybe. There we go. All right. The Sen-Taur Legacy Wheel of Time Oracle cards. And of course I did all the artwork and instructions. Oh, it looks good. Wow. Look, it looks great. Really cute. Saddle sewn on the sides. All the meanings of each card. All right. The backs are white because the tarot card deck that we're coming out with very soon, the backs are black with gold. So the oracle cards, we're doing white with gold. That's really pretty. Okay, let's see what we've got. All right, so these are the two wild cards. That's the front of them. So those are just two wild cards. Because I couldn't do just 40, I had to do 42. So those are really pretty. And here they are, the spring equinox, the summer solstice, the autumn equinox, the winter solstice, the maiden, the Mother, the Crone. That's really a beautiful card there. The Knight. These cards are not just tools of divination, they're pieces of art embodying the essence of the Wheel of Time. Let's take a closer look at some of these cards. Each card's crafted with intention and attention to detail. They're meant to guide and enlighten us on our spiritual journeys. There's the Wizard. That's the one that's shown in on the cover of the box. Letting your magical light shine forward. The Castle. Surrounding yourself with protection and fortitude. Building strength. The Forest. The Dragon. See if I can get my big fingers out of the way so you can see these better. The Dragon. Chalice. The Sword. The Crown. The Plow. The Harvest. Feast. The Hermit. The Journey. The Bard. The Alchemist. This is another one of those really pretty cards. So, the Alchemist, transformation, change, making something out of something else, turning the tides. The Healer. The Lovers. The Tempest. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. The Guardian. The Mystic. The Wheel. The Crossroads. Having to choose which way to go. The Ritual. Spell. The Goblet. Power. Fable. The Awakening. And last but not least, the Circle. Whether you're new to Oracle cards or a seasoned reader, these cards are designed to speak to you. I'll soon be sharing tutorials on how to use these in your daily practices, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I'm so proud and excited to bring the Sen-Taur Legacy Wheel of Time Oracle cards into our community. This is just the beginning, and I look forward to exploring these cards together with you all. Thank you for sharing this moment with me, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on what you think about these cards. Until next time, keep shining your light. Blessed be, and as always, embrace your magic. Bye for now.